Hello again, it's time to try to complete the set of Nerdle puzzles. So let's see how we get on today. It's not a minus, so let's try a plus. No, that way round. That seems reasonable, we use these all new digits. So there is a plus, but not in that position, which might mean we've got two pluses. So it could be something like 9, well no, not 9 plus 7. It could be 1 times 9 plus 7. Sorry, not 9 plus 7. Because that gives us 16, and this, it could be 1 times 9 plus 7. Those two could be the other way around, and I'm sure there are other options. Another 50-50 shot. That could have gone the other way. Oh well. We got it in 4 with not too much time spent on that one. Now this one, both of the equalses are in a different place. So is it going to be a 1-digit answer or a 3-digit answer? And we've got no minus. So that increases the chances, I guess, that we've got a 3-digit answer, but that means it's going to be multiplication, which is going to be quite difficult to work out because there are so many options. No, it would have to be something ending in 7 times something ending in 9. Does that work? That gives us 4, 2, 3, but we don't have a 2. That's unfortunate. So if that's a 1, then it's 1, 5, 3, but we don't have a 5. Can't be a 2. If it's a 3, that gives us 3, 3, 3. I don't really want to duplicate so many 3s at this stage. We ruled out the 4. If it's a 6, oh, that could be 603. That might be a decent shout. Oh, we're very close then. So it's 7 times something ending in 9. So let's fill in what we know. It's going to have to be 79 or 89 or 99. 79 is too low, so it's got to be 99. So we'll put the 9 in there as well. Right, and what have we learned on the top one? On the top one, it's just a single digit answer. But the minus isn't there, so does that mean there's 2 minuses? Or it could be something, oh no, I was going to say it could be a times and then a minus, but it can't be. So 2 plus 9 minus 6, perhaps? So that's not going to give us a 1-digit answer, or we've run out of results, is what I mean. And it can't be 2 plus 9 anyway, the 9 can't be here. In fact, the 9 can't be in a lot of places, and there's actually 2 9s. I should have noticed that. So, I mean, we could be division, but if we've got 6s and 9s and 2s and more 9s, we can't really make a 3-digit number, a 2-digit number, sorry, that's divisible by another 1-digit number from that subset. Because I mean, it can't be 63 for several reasons. 63 divided by 9 would be nice. Could do minus 1 equals 2, but it's not 63. So, what is it? We could use a 4, we haven't done that yet. If that doesn't give us a big enough number, where are we going to put the 9s? It could be 19 plus something minus something, but that doesn't give us a 1-digit result. So 16 plus 2 minus 9 does indeed equal 9, so that is a possibility. Oh, that came out of nowhere. And I think it still could have been 2 plus 16 at that stage, so it's nice to get a 50-50 correct once in a while. I don't think it was quite a 50-50. The odds were probably more against me, but you know what I mean. Right, so this one is probably something times 6 or something, the times could be there. I think either way the equals is going to have to be there. So, what are we going to put as the last digit? We could put the 3 there so that it ends in 8. But then we're not going to get a big enough number. So we could put the 3 there. But no, even, oh, 2, does that give us 258? That does work. It's nice how you can sometimes use a little bit of logic. I think that was quite a tough one. Multiplication, only one symbol. But I got there, so I guess I shouldn't brag. Right, what have we got here? Probably a 2-digit number plus a 2-digit number. What do we want this to end with? Well, let's try 67, because then we can try a 0 as well. And there is a 0, but it's not there. So probably 60 something plus 30 something to get the 9. And the other digit could be anything. Let's try 8 plus 0 equals 8. Okay, so it's definitely 60. So this digit and the last digit are the same, and I think they could still be, they can't be a 3 from the top row, they could still be a 6 or a 9, I think. There we go. That was under a minute, that felt so slow. But I'm not complaining. On to the mini. So let's try 9 plus 8, why not? Use some high digits. So there is an 8, but not a 9 or a 7. And it's going to be a 1-digit result, so perhaps 18 over 3, over 6 rather. Oh, is this, are we going to have duplicated 8s? Could be 16 minus 8 equals 8. I'm not seeing anything else. It could be 14, that's a better shout, isn't it? 14 minus 8 equals 6, because that uses more new digits. Oh, I should have stuck with the 16 minus 8 equals 8. That's my own fault. But 4 is average, isn't it? What do we want to do here? Let's do 14 over 7. Let's use some unusual digits. It helps if I type things in the right order. That hasn't given us too much to go on. 12 minus 9. Wow, okay, very lucky there. And the top one, 9 plus 6 is a possibility. Oh, it's not plus, so it's going to be times. I think it has to be 9 times 9, because otherwise we can't fit the 1 in anywhere. There we go. And we'll end with the micro. The smallest puzzle, but certainly not the easiest. I think 1 plus 2 equals 3, or 3 minus 2 equals 1, or some other combination of those digits is the best starting point for this, because if you rule out 1, 2 and a 3, you're very restricted. But I'm going to start with 4 plus 5, because that's a lot more fun. Right, let's try subtraction then. Oh, it's not subtraction either. Well, it can't be, or it could be 8 times 1, or it could be 8 divided by 1. Or it could be 8 divided by 8. Right, so it's times, so obviously it's the very last symbol that I chose, but now we're going to have to get it correct. So thank you for watching, that's the full set of Nerdles for today. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you want to see more of these, or if you want to see some of the other wordy types that I've been doing instead. Bye for today.